Welcome to Hard Reset. In front of me Sony Alpha, and now I'm gonna show you all you need to know about picture effect. Find the setting to open the first block on menu, 11 page, and here we have picture effect. Inside we have I will explain all of them. So picture effect applies creative effects directly to your photos. Of course, if you want to process your images after taking the photos using Lightroom, for example, don't use any picture effect. Just disable it, because it will just make your photos less professional. Okay. But if you wanna take the photos and just upload them to the social media or just have on your CD card, so it's a very good idea to use mode. So here we have toy camera. So adds a vignette and color cast for toy camera look. Enhances color saturation, pop color enhances color saturation for pop art effect. Posterization, it's reducing the image to a limited number of colors, so it's like a poster mode. Now I'm gonna show you. Okay, it will look on this way. It's like just a poster, okay? Cool. Retro photo. It's like a sepia, so applies sepia tone and vignette to vintage look. Standard balance settings for general use, of course, and a lot of different different types, like, for example, now I'm gonna tell about all of them. Okay. So posterization, retro, of course, as a vintage look, soft, high key. It creates a bright, soft image with low contrast. So it's soft but overlighted. Okay, high contrast mono, portrait color red, of course. High contrast mono creates a high contrast black and white images. Soft focus applies a soft focus effect to the image. HDR painting simulates an HDR painting effect. So rich tone mono, so creates a high dynamic range black and white image. Miniature applies tilt shift effect to simulate a miniature scene. And watercolor increase yellows effect. And illustration converts the image to look like an illustration. Okay, I have no CD card, but it will like just simple illustration, like Prisma app. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye.